Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee no cash on delivery. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So if you're getting this grayed out option when you go to the checkout section on Shopee, or if it's not even available, there's a few different reasons why this happens, so we need to understand them. So the main reason is not all sellers on Shopee enable COD because they don't want to risk unpaid or refused deliveries, which is fair enough. So that's basically the main reason, but there are other reasons why it might not be showing as well. So to fix these, basically what we can do is update the Shopee app. So go to your Player App Store and search for Shopee and make sure the app is up to date. That can be causing these glitches. Also, go ahead and clear the app cache and clear data as well. So to do this, go ahead and long press onto Shopee, click onto I to get into app info. Now once you're inside app info, scroll down, click onto storage and clear cache and clear data. This is going to delete all your accounts on Shopee as well, so be mindful of that. Now another thing what we can do is contact the Shopee support team. So if COD still doesn't appear after all this, so go ahead and open the Shopee app, then click onto chat with a Shopee agent and then type no COD option available and explain the issue. Then from there they can go ahead and check your account status, enable COD again if possible.